irrigation system.
More than 2/3 of the earth is covered in water, but fresh water accounts for less than 3%. This precious resource has to be shared by both plants and animals. Terrestrial animals and plants cannot live without fresh water. In fact, it is said that the next World War will be fought over water.
My mother loves plants. However, I often notice that when she waters the plants, the water overflows. And in spite of all the watering, the plants sometimes dries up. How nice it would be if we could water our plants at the right time and in the right quantity.
Harnessing the power of microcontrollers, I attempt to make a device which can sense the water content of the soil and dispense water as required. When this low-cost innovation is implemented extensively, it can save millions of gallons of fresh water, as against conventional irrigation practices, and contributing to the 12th SDG goal, that is responsible consumption and production. Arduino is an open source hardware and software company, project and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for building digital devices. This will be the heart of our project.
This is the circuit diagram for my project. This is the sensor. The sensor detects the soil moisture, and then it's through the controller it sends an input to the Arduino input. Then the Arduino will send a signal to the relay, which acts like a switch and turns on the submersible pump. The submersible pump will dispense water as required.
Arduino uses a programming language known as Arduino Sketch. Arduino Sketch is used to programming the logic and to set the parameters for building various digital projects. Arduino Sketch is built up of two parts, that is setup and loop. Whatever code is in the setup is used to define the pins in the Arduino Uno, and whatever code is in the loop is set forever.
This is my model for the automated irrigation system. Let's discuss the components. This is the Arduino Uno. Then this is the power source for the Arduino. This is the power source for the submersible pump. This is the relay. It acts like a switch which turns on the submersible pump. But foremost comes the sensor. The sensor is here. And the sensor will detect the soil moisture, and the sensor controller shows how much moisture it is. And then it turns on the relay, which turns on the submersible pump and will dispense water as required. These two lights show that there is enough moisture in the soil. Let us manipulate this by lifting the sensor up. In 10 seconds, it will dispense water. Here. So this is the model for my project. I hope you find my project interesting.